Guys, we got turkeys. You got to help me out here. Turkeys attacking my BMW. This has been a reoccurring issue. Get the heck out. Look, they're not afraid of me. Get out of here. Get out of here. You son of a... Look, they are not scared of me. Get out of here. This is a problem every time I come home to my parents' house. Look at this guy. Hey, get out of here. Look at this guy. Get out of here. This son of a bitch, get out of here. Come here. Go. Look at this guy. Not scared of me. What is going on? Does anyone know why he's doing this? Does he see his reflection there? Come on, man. Would you leave my car alone, please? Look at these turkeys. This is Monroeville, Pennsylvania. All right. My parents live in a wooded area. It seems to only be my car. They leave my parents' cars alone. Now, as soon as I go inside, I know what you're coming back to do. I'm gonna have to pull this thing in the garage. This is the weirdest thing. I cannot believe these guys aren't afraid of me. So let me know, experts out there, what in the heck are they doing? I've heard them crying doing this before. Do they think one of their friends is in there? Hey, get out of here. Go. Get out of here. Go. I'm going to chase them as far away as I can for right now. Do not come back towards my car, please. Now, I guarantee you, I walk inside, they're gonna come over and peck it again. This happened in the summer. I had to get some rubbing compound and rub the beak marks out of my car. Luckily, it didn't get through the clear coat, but I wouldn't want them doing this for too long because I'm sure they could. So we're gonna move this thing in the garage. Very frustrating morning here, guys, trying to get packed up. Get out of here, turkeys. Like I said, if you have any idea as to what causes this or why they do this or why they're not scared of me, my goodness, hunting season is coming right up. I don't think these guys are gonna last too long if that's about how afraid they are of hunters. Some big turkeys too. See if we got any. Yeah, I think I came out in time. I knew when I walked out the door and I saw 6 of them standing out here, I was in trouble. Now, I do keep my car very clean, as you can see. So I'm sure they see the reflection. But man, they are just relentless. Relentless on my BMW.